Okay.
Okay, it's recording now. Oh yeah, I can see there's a lot new code right now.
Yeah, but it's not very much because I am running on very tight on my office schedule these days.
Are you very busy at the office or?
Yes, it's quite busy there.
Are you like the project manager in your office, or what's your role?
No, I am works as a senior iOS developer.
Okay.
So here I show you the screen, okay, and you asked me that to give a tooltip, a drop down option when use the tab. So I made it like this.
Ah, that's beautiful. Okay.
Okay, if now in this comes when there's a tooltip for the field. Okay,
Yeah.
like this here. It's not, then I will not showing any drop down. Okay.
It's
And
if it's a move over only, you mean, or?
no. This since in phones there is no hover effects because there is no mouse pointer available. It's your finger acts as a mouse pointer. Okay, so when user taps this question mark, if there is a tooltip option associated with this as per provided by you in Excel sheet, okay,
Yeah.
then I showed you this drop down here.
Yeah, that's exactly what I imagined. Yeah.
Okay, and in Excel sheet for this field there is no tooltip option, so I just shows user that this thing to be placed here.
Understood. Okay.
Okay. And for like this, there is option and what it's saying that you have to fill.
That is brilliant. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. And you're saying this is always will be a number field. This is the text field, and this is also number field.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's perfect. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay.
Like this. I will do it on screens. Okay. Like this. We have. Then there is a drop down.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
I'm currently I am designing the screens. Okay. These I designed one more screen, I think. But I'm not sure I linked it up here. I didn't linked it up. I made one more screen. Okay.
Yep.
Now I have one question regarding to the Excel sheet. This is the work I have done so far.
Yep.
Okay. And I have one question. Okay, here. Now here, this is our first screen. This is our first screen now. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. This field is to be calculated automatically. This one, based upon the user.
Exactly. Yeah. That is the one that is to be calculated. Yeah.
This is the.
Down. Can you hear me again? Down. Can you hear me again?
This structure coming in a breaking mode.
Tarun?
Hi.
I'm sorry. I think I've lost the internet connection for about a minute. Could you please repeat what you just said? So you meant there is.
Are you able to see my screen?
Now I can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay, I'm saying that like this field, okay,
Yeah.
this field is the sum of these things, sum up
Exactly.
of these things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need to keep this thing as a single value and don't carry it forward like here. Or do we need to carry forward? It means we have to take it from we have to add. I can explain it like here. Like here you add 64,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Now 1,661 is added, and then so it sum up to 68,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So do we need to carry it to this screen? Like I have 68,000 previously, and then I sum up 400 again, and it becomes 69,000, and then show the total value here, or only the total value for this screen, these values here.
The second screen is very simple. And it is, so to say, like autonomous, you know. It doesn't need outside values. However, some screens later, we need the values of the previous screens. So
like here, like this means I think this is the total of first one and this one.
For example, exactly, yeah. In that field, we need both. We need the second and the third screen values. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so it depends upon here the formula is written, so I can calculate it on this.
Yeah.
Okay, I will check it. Thanks, I forgot it at that time.
So does it mean that you need to keep all these values like globally in the complete storyline? Or
no, I understand now how it works, and I will check the formula here and how it works. So I will calculate on that way, on that basis, and then I will in next meeting I will show how I am calculating the fields.
Oh, that is brilliant! Yeah.
Okay,
so
then it will.
Yeah.
Then it will be a dynamic app at that moment. Hopefully, I will make it within 2 weeks. I will complete this automatic calculations. That's
fantastic. Yeah. So in that column D, there is all the logic that you need for calculating.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, and we have to make the fields till here, right?
Yeah. I would suggest that we do 2 more screens then, you know.
These?
Yeah.
These 2? We have to create these 2 also.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd suggest that, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that line 95 is an important one. That's why I've marked it with a star. Okay. However, starting in line 97, we've got the like the tax implications that we have, and I think that is valuable as well for the user. So
okay, I will create it. Okay, anything else? Any questions you want to ask regarding this?
Yes. I'll share once again my screen. Wait a second. If I open up my Xcode, maybe you can give me just like a brief tour through the code that you've generated so far. I understood that we've got here these view controller thing, and there is like the second screen here. That one is like the first screen, or wait a second. No, that is the
yes, view control scene is the first screen. Then this the second one, above VC scene, is the second screen.
Okay, which we didn't have at that point in time. Okay.
Yes, and then this is the below the bottom one is the navigation controller, because what happens in iOS app that there are certain controllers that are used. This controller is only used to allow apps to navigate from one controller to other controller. If we didn't take this controller, the navigation controller, I can't move from one screen to other screen.
That is for one screen apps only here. That one?
Yes. So this is used if you have multiple screen app and you want to use the default navigation system provided by the Apple.
Okay. So to get a sense of what you did so far, what would you suggest where would you suggest to navigate now?
I didn't get you properly.
Like to have a look at the code that we've done so far. Where do I have to navigate?
To look at the code, can you tap here the four boxes on the top left corner? Yes, this. I think you have. Wait a second.
Maybe I'll maximize that window.
No. Can you point your mouse to the left corner, so that you
like
so you can no let me show you how. So can you stop your screen so that I can share? Okay, like here you are here, and sorry, you are here, and you have to point like this, like your screen is like this at the moment. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to bring your pointer here, and then you will see. If we open like this. Go to view.
Yeah.
We are going to. Go to view, then navigator, and show project navigator. Okay.
Project navigator. Okay.
Okay.
Second. Can you still see my screen?
Yes, I am seeing.
So navigate.
No. View option.
Oh, sorry. View. Navigator.
Show project navigator.
Show.
First one.
Project navigator. Okay.
Okay. Here you have to.
Here we go. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Here you can list the classes.
Mm-hmm.
These are the helper. The one listed under the helper classes are the helper classes used. Are the classes that contains the common code that can be used everywhere. Okay. Like the constant file.
Okay. So to get a sense of what you did so far, where do you suggest to navigate? Like the tooltip thing is here, okay?
No. You have to go to viewcontroller.swift file. Here in Canci coding folder. Yes, viewcontroller.swift.
Okay, view controller. Okay.
This is our first screen. Okay, I have did the coding for the first screen here. Okay, and
do any additional setup after loading the view?
Yeah, the one here the method name view did load. This is the default method you will get in every class.
Okay.
That subclass UI view controller. Okay.
Okay.
These functions automatically gets called whenever the screen loads on the mobile.
Understood. Okay.
So we do all the stuffs that required to be done when the screens appear to the user. Like you have to change the color of the button or something else before the screen appears, then you can do it here.
And hide help is if you exit the help function.
Yes, this function automatically gets called when user tap on button, the question mark button. This show help view gets called, and it lay out the view like the yellow view and the drop down now.
Okay.
Okay, and then after some like this, the method written here that self.perform selector hide help. After delay 1.7, so after 1.7 seconds, this function hide help will get called automatically, and it will hide the drop down and the yellow mark.
Okay. Okay, and here's that validation thing.
Yes.
Okay.
And now I changed this function like hide help and show help.
Yeah.
Okay, I made it a common function now, so that I can use it in multiple screens. Okay. Now there is some change. There are some changes in this file and other files too.
Yeah. So maybe you can send me an update of the things that you've done so far.
Yeah. I will send you after this meeting.
That is good. One thing I wanted to ask you as well, wait a second, is I've added these two columns into my Excel sheet.
Yeah.
What do you think about that idea? Does that make any sense?
Yes, you shared this sheet with me, and it's very good thing that you clearly mentioned that which things which fields should kept optional and which are mandatory. So I'm making the validation while looking at this sheet.
Yeah, I think that makes a whole lot of sense because we've got, let me show you. For example, in that refurbishment screen, we've got so many fields, and they may be of interest to some users. However, if you are in an early stage of validating an apartment, you would typically say, okay, let's estimate the whole refurbishment costs to, I don't know, X. And you type it in one line, and you just skip all the others. So it would be very annoying to have to enter like 0, 0, 0. And that's why I said, okay, so let's make this field optional. And if there is somebody that decides not to enter anything, it just is like default 0. I think that is
that's
good value
that's
for
great.
the user.
Yeah, that's great. Actually, the presentation made by you in the Excel sheet gives a quite good idea for me how it works. Otherwise, what happens, I will place the validations, and then when I show you the code or the app, then you make me that please change this, remove the validation here and here. So
it
will waste the time.
If you have got the sense at any time in the project that there is any matter that I should like point out very clearly, just tell me, and I make an additional movie clip just to give you my idea on that, so that you don't lose time or do anything that leads maybe to the wrong direction. Just tell me.
Yeah, sure, I will.
Okay, so I think that's it for the time being, and yeah, thank you so far. Have a great weekend.
Same to you.
Thank you. And yeah, let's do it. Let's proceed like that.
Okay.
So
there are no changes. You don't want any change now in the design. It looks good, the drop down end.
Yeah, to me it looks brilliant. Yeah, that's exactly what I imagined. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Down. See you. Bye.
Bye. See you.